What is going on, guys? It's Tony here. Welcome back to Raldo's Details. So today, or this video, is gonna be kind of like a day in the life. So I'm gonna be showing you guys a little bit of everything that we've been doing here lately. But this past week, it was pretty busy when it comes to doing some different things here at the shop, and as well like mobile jobs and some other jobs that we brought here to the shop. But it's been around almost 3 years since we built this shop over here. And I want to, we have, for instance, over here, we have the Swift tracks in this shop. And honestly, we did clean it up not even once. So we've been trying to make this shop a little bit more efficient. And as you guys can see right now, this thing looks super clean. But like I say, it was about 3 years since we built the shop. We installed the Swift tracks, and all we was doing, it was kind of like doing the vacuuming, and stuff like that. But honestly, it was a disaster underneath. So now we have a second shop, which I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. And this shop, we want to make sure that it's super clean in order to perform really good services, to our clients, or quality services, like for instance, window tint, PPF, and the ceramic coating. So this shop is gonna be mainly it's gonna be just for the application of ceramic coatings, window tint, PPF, and icon wrap clear. As you guys can see now, this shop looks super clean. Before I was having different type of things like banners and that type of stuff. But right now, I feel like it's gonna look much cleaner just having it like this way. Not even my logo is in this shop anymore. Maybe we end up installing my logo in this wall at some point. But as of right now, the main focus is to have a shop that is going to be clean and efficient. Before, we had all these cabinets around, like actually all this right here, it was on that wall, and the plotter was on this section over here, which it was not the best option, because we have to kind of bring the vehicle like this way. We always put the vehicles long ways, and the plotter was on the back section, and maybe we was working on the front, so it was a little bit tight, to be honest. So now the idea is to back it up the vehicles and push them all the way here to this section. That way, if we're gonna be working on front PPF, like full fronts, then we're going to have a lot of space on front of the vehicle. In order to work, we're going to be able to put some tables and that type of stuff. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. I'm super excited, like the way it turned out. Now we have some lighting over here in the garage door as well, because there was a little dark on the side. We also installed those ones over there, which we still got to do the final connection. We did some shelving for our material, for the window film. And over here, we have this little shelf as well, which we create. And also, is nice because you can just pull out, you can get your tape measure, which is right there, and see how much film do you need, cut it, and put it on the billboard. So very nice. I think this is gonna be super efficient. If we have to do any maintenance on the vehicles, like a quick vacuum, because we are not going to be doing full interiors or anything like that, but we want to have a vacuum in order to vacuum the floor. And the air compressor is this right here, which was the air compressor. I think we're going to end up doing our chemical line for the PPF and all that type of stuff. So we are looking to install another shelf right here under the TV in order to set like our bags, that we're going to be using more constantly, when it comes to PPF, like that one there. One more shelf over here, which they are right there. We're still working on them. And one more shelf right here on this wall. So I think it's looking really nice. Ivan, you did an amazing job. Ivan did an amazing job over here, like filling up a bunch of holes that we used to have. We just got to do kind of give it like you see all that stuff right there is where it used to be the hose on the walls and that type of stuff. But we cannot did that, like I say, we are a busy shop. Like I said, we have the other shop back there, which I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. And this is just gonna be a video, like this is the after pretty much, and this is the before, if you guys can see this picture over here. But I can do a full video if you guys would like. There is a lot more. We have my office, we have a bathroom with a shower and everything. We also installed this nice sink, which is bigger than the one that we had before, and it has this little thing over here, so it's really nice. This is gonna help a lot, to wash our stuff. And then we have this thing right here in order to put buckets or whatever we're gonna use whenever we're gonna be using the sink, our washer and dryer. So very nice. Still gotta organize this stuff right here, and we're gonna keep it super simple right here, like I say. We don't even need all these polishers because we're gonna be doing all the polishing over there. If we're gonna be doing any polishing over here, it's gonna be like a light polish just for our new car prep service, and we also gonna be using gold standard, because that thing is amazing and does not create any dust, especially with the bucket that we use to wash the is one like this, but I like the other one better. But anyways, guys, let me bring you guys to the other shop right now, and that way you guys can see what we got going on the other shop. All right, guys, so for those who don't know, this is our new shop. This is a 30 by 60, and we built this around, I want to say, like a year ago, and this thing is working amazing. I really like it. We purchased this one from bigbuildingsdirect.com. I mean, that's their website, but it's called Big Buildings Direct is the name of this company. And we decide to choose the vertical type of metal. We also did this ones here, which is the gutters with this pipe going down and everything. So 3 bays, and this space right here is kind of like our warehouse, if we want to call it that way. This bay over here, we use it mainly for our mobile detail setups. It's where we put all of our setups, install all of our setups. But we have another shop in a different location where we do all the welding for our mobile units. So at some point I'm gonna be able maybe to show you guys that shop, but as of right now, let's complete this video showing you guys everything that we got going on over here. So as you guys can see, Ivan is in there. That's our wash bay, is where we do the majority of the washes, and then after that we bring the vehicles to the other shop, which, if you guys want to see the distance from one shop and the other one, I mean, we have a nice parking space over here. This is our mobile units. Today, this is the only job that we have because we want to complete the shop, and we are doing some organization because we have a training tomorrow. It's going to be in Spanish with my friend Alex from Alex 360. So it's going to be around, I want to say, like maybe 15, anywhere from 10 to 15 people. So far, I think we have like 9 people, but I still been getting a lot of calls. So like I said, we have 2 more shops, 2 more parking spots over here. This is our little shed where we put all of our stuff, that's from my house. And this one here is what I'm trying to do, is a little gym inside of that thing. So you guys are gonna see that in the future. But anyways, this is a little, place where I store my dump trailers and my stuff, that I got. But anyways, let's come inside, and that way I can show you guys what we got going on over here. Over here we have this beautiful setup that we just complete. This one here is going to, I believe, Massachusetts, but as you guys can see, this is a Mercedes mattress. And this one here has 2 pressure washers. One is a hot water pressure washer, and the other one is the Cransla pressure washer. That one there is your power cord reel. This one here is your vacuum reel. You have your air compressor reel, Cransla pressure washer, and this is the hot water pressure washer. This is the switch on and off for your pressure washer, the Krensla, and we have these two nice totes for any for any your towels and that type of stuff. The frame is made out of aluminum. Everything is aluminum and is built in one solid piece. So, like I mentioned, this is the area where we built or put together the mobile units. Right now, all of this stuff was there. So we, like I said, we are trying to minimize the stuff over there. We still got to do a lot of cleaning. This is our kind of like a lift. You know, whenever we have the frames, we just push them in there. We don't need it, but we have it because we do high volume setups. So we don't want to break our back, you know, like doing it often, you know, you can easily get hurt. But if you're gonna do it, you know, I can pull this out, you know, like maybe with two guys, you just put like some wood over here, like a table, pull it out, and get you a new van or whatever, you know. So this is where we store our reels, everything that we normally use, pressure washers, hoses, all of that stuff. We have Cransless pressure washers, AR blues, um, and different things, vacuums, and we have some tools, which we have a big mess right now, as you guys see, because like I said, we've been trying to do some organization, but it's gonna look way better pretty soon. So we have some pads from Rupert, we have some chemicals over here that we have for sale as well. We have DIY details, products, Geist, Vonex. Those are the main lines that we care here on our shop. As you guys can see, we have Vonex over here, like Sintra, really nice. This is where I store all of my let's say product line or organization type of line. This is the pad holders. We have polisher holders, all of this right here. So yeah, that's the way it looks. A bunch of pressure washers, used pressure washers and new pressure washers over here. Those are the new ones. Generators. Over here is where we have our, you know, the product line, which is empty. You know, we just let people buy and get stuff from here, and we just restock everything back here. And this is how my bottle holders, polisher holders, and everything looks whenever they are powder coated. So we have, like I said, this is the Vonex and also DIY Details product line. And over here is where we kind of do interior details, exterior details, or either or, because we have a 50 feet pressure washer here hose, pressure washer hose. And this is where either or we can do whatever prep and then bring it to the other shop if we're gonna do something bigger, like bigger jobs. Ivan is taking care of this beautiful Dodge Durango. What we're gonna be doing on this one here is gonna be Icon Rock Clear. And let me tell you guys, Icon Rock Clear is amazing. Amazing. We love that stuff. Don't you, Ivan? It's a nice product, guys. Very nice. This thing is gonna be protected and it's gonna look amazing. He's doing the clay bar right now to make sure that nothing is in the paint. And then after that, we're gonna use a rotary in order to do like a one step all the way around. And that's it. You don't even have to finish it out. You just do the rotary, and that is mainly to remove or strip any protection that you have on the vehicle previously to apply the Icon Rock Clear. So it's an amazing product. Let me tell you guys, it's amazing. Amazing, amazing. Over here we have our fans. We have our extractor. This is our towels, where we put our towels, like clean towels, dirty towels. We have it like same, you know, way. And like I said, right now it's a mess. This is where we put all of our polishers. We have to bring some more polishers because tomorrow we're gonna have the training, like I said. So yeah, guys, it's looking really nice. Little bit messy, but this is the reality. When you are working, like, you know, every day, sometimes you don't even have time to do the maintenance on your own stuff, which I know somebody's gonna say, oh yeah, you gotta do it. Like, yes, we gotta do it. Sometimes we even have to pay, you know, somebody else to do our own stuff. But we decide to take some time. At least I think it was 2 days, Ivan, last week. We was not putting any appointments or anything like that. But yeah, that's exactly what we did. And this thing is looking amazing. That shop is looking amazing. I really like the way it's turning out, that shop over here. So guys, if you guys like videos like this, which I hope you guys are, feel free to give us a big thumbs up and share these videos with people you know who might like this type of videos. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see anything else about the shop, which I'm gonna do another video once I finish with the organization and everything that we got going on, which is gonna be hard. But also I'm gonna do another video and show you guys how this place looks before, even when we was digging and everything right here. I'm gonna do a full and more in-depth video about this. I believe I'm gonna stop this video because it's already almost 20 minutes. So thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.